Good morning, friend and student. Again, I welcome you to my channel. You can see it is separated particularly in the field of English. Earlier, almost all the topics are actually mingled together. I thought it about that. Why is it not so? I should actually make the English to be separated. So I started from the very beginning. You can say English classes with Mr. Jha, or you can say Prakash Chandra Jha, Dr. Prakash Chandra Jha. Why is it not so? We should actually begin from the very beginning, and beginning is from parts of the speech. Before actually I go to any of the places, I would like to ask some of the question to you. First question, have you ever thought about your body? You must have thought. Can you say it about that? What is there in the beginning that frame this particular body? It is cell. Out of cell, it is tissue made. Out of tissue, it is, you can say, organ made. And out of organ, you can say it is system made. Similarly, in the same way, if you come to this English, you will simply find it over there. English is getting words. Words are divided into separate sections, you can see here. For the sake of the benefit of the very people as a whole, this is how a kind of brand, a kind of name is given to almost all the part. पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच कहने का मतलब वह हिस्सा जो हमारे भाषण के अंतर्गत आता है, उसमें जो जो शब्द यूज किए जाते हैं वो अलग अलग हिस्से में बटा हुआ है. उसे ही हम कहते हैं हिस्सा, खास करके भाषण का हिस्सा, खास करके वक्तव्य का. इसे मैं हिंदी या इंग्लिश दोनों में साथ में लेके चलूँगा, इसलिए कि वैसे लोग जो इस तरह समझते हैं वह भी समझेंगे, और वह लोग जो डायरेक्ट इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश समझते हैं वह भी समझेंगे. अब यहाँ पे हमने लिख रखा है, यहाँ पे व्हाट इज पार्ट्स ऑफ द स्पीच. All the English words are divided into 8 groups according to the work they do in the sentence. Each group is called part of speech. कहने का सीधा सा हिसाब है, ये जो वर्ड्स हैं इंग्लिश का वो अलग अलग डिवाइड में बांटे, अलग अलग हिस्से में बांटे गए. वो इसलिए बांटे गए ताकि जब हम भाषण बोलते हैं तो उसका अलग अलग यूज होता है, और वह उस यूज को अलग नाम दिया जाता है. और उस 8 जो नाम है जिसमें डिवाइडेड दिया है वो 8 नाम है. पहला है it is noun, second is pronoun, third is adjective, fourth is verb, fifth is adverb, and sixth is preposition, and seventh is conjunction, eighth is interjection. This is how I will just begin with almost all the thing. In course of my discussion, I will make it to just clarified. This is the beginning. First chapter is noun, so I would like to just take the noun in detail. This much. Thank you very much. Provided you got any type of difficulty, you can just put your remark, put your feedback in comment section. This much. Thank you very much.